Hi, good afternoon. Thank you for coming. My name is Alfreda. I'm the marketing manager for Serge Ferrari North America. And today we're talking about the tent industry, products and trends. And we have Aaron Leland here, who's the industry sales manager to present this. If there are any questions, please hold them for the end and we'll take questions then. All right, Aaron, I pass the baton to you.
Okay, thanks very much, Alfreda. Appreciate everyone coming out today. Ideally, in a perfect situation, we would have loved to have done this tent work show in person where you could walk through the tents and see and touch everything. But based on the current situation, we'll have to make do with this virtual presentation, talking about Serge Ferrari's modular protection or modular structure products. So again, first off, I'd like to welcome you to the Serge Ferrari Virtual Tent Work Show. For over 45 years, Serge Ferrari has worked with our customers globally to understand and respond to their needs in the tent space. Serge Ferrari is recognized as a leader in this space with proven quality and innovations to improve our overall offerings. In 2019, we began hosting our TentWorks concept. This involves setting up tents in different geographic locations that featured all of the different options available to our customers with our fabrics, and also promoted the ideas on what was being done around the world to benchmark with and against our competition. We held these events in several locations: Germany, France, Japan, all of which were very well received by all the participants. This year, in response to the ongoing pandemic and in support of IFAI, we are pleased to offer a virtual version of our TentWorks show. We are glad you are here, and we will trust that our few minutes together in this venue will be worth your time. Today, we will show you what makes our products so unique and how we can help you improve on the return on investment of your structures. We will also discuss heating and cooling management, light control, and design options. This will hopefully give you an insight on the many possibilities available with Serge Ferrari membranes. Before we get started, first, a quick overview of who Serge Ferrari is. We are the global leader in the production of PVC coated fabrics. We are 100% vertically integrated from fibers to fabric in our production processes, and we do not outsource any raw materials. We are the only coated fabrics manufacturer to offer our pre-constraint proprietary technology, and this results in smoother fabrics that are easier to work with, as well as double or triple the PVC coating level for long life. We also offer our VSU service with inline production that ensures lot-to-lot consistency of color and light transmission over time. We serve a wide variety of markets globally with high-quality coated fabrics with a presence in over 80 countries. Here in America, Serge Ferrari is based in Deerfield Beach, Florida, where we have our administration and warehousing headquarters, and we carry local stock based on our customers' needs and also offer direct shipments from France via container where relevant. First off, a quick history of our quick word about our current sales volume in dollars actually. And in 2020, we also made, despite the global pandemic, we invested in the acquisitions of both Versailles Ag out of Germany and Fit out of Taiwan. Both of these acquisitions will help us grow substantially, and it increased our total turnover to approximately $400 million US. Serge Ferrari, basically our offering is broken out in 4 strategic markets. First, we have our solar protection, which this is our outdoor meshes, excuse me, indoor blinds, terrace awnings, pergolas, shade sails. And we also have our tensile architecture, shading structures, excuse me, tensile buildings, facade. And in our modular structure market, we have our clear span, A-frame tents, lodges, bungalows, yurts, inflatable structures also, air domes, and we also do tarps, especially in the truck market. We do a lot in the Conestoga retractable trailers, also environmental membranes as well. And we also have a large segment in our furniture and marine. Furniture, we offer both upholstery for traditional furniture as well as sling, and also our marine offerings, both marine upholstery, biminis, walls, and coverings. So those are our four main markets that we focus on worldwide. In our modular structure market, to get more focus on that, we basically focus, have five different areas. First is, the larger halls, clear span tents, small frame and pole, air structures and air domes, and also luxury camping, where we have the glamping and also the outdoor yurts. The main thing to notice here is that we at Ferrari, no matter what segment you need or whatever you need a fabric for, whether it be a large haul or luxury camping, is that we have a fabric to fit every need in every type of market that you could be selling into. And one thing that really makes Serge Ferrari unique, nothing that nobody else has in the industry, is our pre-constraint technology. And what that is it's a feature that provides unique dimensional stability compared to other conventional coated composites. And during production, the polyester yarns are tensioned in both directions, both in the warp and in the weft. And this produces a flatter, more flexible membrane. And also another really feature of the pre-constraint technology that is probably one of the most important, along with the dimensional stability, is the fact that when our base cloth is stretched in both the warp and the weft direction, that stretches the fabric out. And what that does is, if you look at this picture here on the left, you can see our product in orange, and competitive product on the right in the greenish color. You can see how much more PVC coating is both on the top and the bottom, because our yarns are flatter. So that's going to give you more PVC on the top and the bottom, up to 2 times more thick. So that's more protection, more durability compared to PVC membranes that are not manufactured with the pre-constraint technology. So some of the benefits, again, for the fabric maker, is the flatness of the product. You get the same behavior in both the warp and weft direction. Cross welding is possible. And again, it's more value, so it's a higher price you can sell to your customer. And it's also longer life and easier to repair. And benefits for the end users is stress resistance, maintained over a longer period, and again, which gives you an increased project lifespan. So the durability, also another great feature is the lifespan, the durability, and also the stress resistance. Is that with the pre-constraint, whenever the product is put under pressure, there's going to be less shrinking, less elongation. You can see on the diagram in the left, our product, when it's put under constant weight, which is roughly 5 pounds for, I think, during a 100 hour period, the elongation that you get during is 0.8, and after, once the product there's no force under it, it goes up to 0.4. You compare that to a conventional coated membrane, it's 2.5 during and 1.4 after. So you can see that the product is much more dimensionally stable when put under pressure. You're not going to get as much stretching of the product when it's pulled tight between 2 ketters. So the benefit for the fabric maker is less maintenance, less issues with your ketter, and for the end users, stress resistance is maintained over a longer period, which equals increased project lifespan. And also, no stretching also means less maintenance, not having to retighten your ketters as well. Another benefit of the pre-constraint is the noise reduction, better security, better durability. With reduced residual elongation, you're going to get less flapping. So you can see with the 2 diagrams, the Ferrari material on top, you can see that you're going to get less elongation with a conventional membrane, where you're going to get more stretch, so you'll get more flapping, especially in a windy application. So with our product, you're going to have reduced flapping, reduced ponding, especially on your roofs. So the benefit for the fabric maker is, again, better return on investment, less maintenance, again, and also happier customers. And the benefit for the end user, increased confidence and more repeat business. And of course, Ferrari, we have all of our products are fire retardant. We have fire certifications for whether you're in Canada, South America, here in the U.S. Again, we have all the fire certifications that you'll need. Most of our membranes in America, we all have the NFPA 701, Method 1, Method 2, as well as ASTM E84. And we basically have that for all of our membranes, and also the CSFM T19 certification that's needed for the state of California. Also, our membranes are self-extinguishing. They do not propagate flames or cause burning droplets to fall. And again, also the automatic smoke evacuation for optimum safety. And again, the smoke evacuation is proportional to the fire. So again, the benefits for the fabric maker, again, we have the certificates to provide for fire resistance, to take care of those fire marshals that are always demanding, the safety information. And again, we meet the highest standards worldwide. And again, the ability to use the same membrane type for all projects worldwide, because again, we do have fire certifications for basically all locations all over the world. And again, benefits for the end users, and ensures a high level of safety for the customers, and again, gives them a peace of mind for local compliance and safety of their customers. Also, another really unique feature of the Ferrari material is our whiteness, our transparency, and our luminosity. For example, this is referring to our 502 S2, again, which is our bright. Again, it's a very, very clean white. And the product is also manufactured with what's called an anti-wicking base cloth. And what that does is it prevents mold and mildew from getting into the fibers and migrating into the base cloth, where you see the browning underneath the PVC. So with our product, with our anti-wicking base cloth, you only get about 10 millimeters of movement into the base cloth. Conventional membrane, you're looking at about 300 millimeters. And the conventional membrane with an anti-wicking base cloth, you're looking at about 40 millimeters. So our anti-wicking technology is the best in the industry. And also the 502 S2, it's one of our most translucent membranes. It has a light transmission rate of 19%. So if you have a customer that's looking for a tint to give warmth, the 502 S2 is a great solution. In the American market, a lot of tint makers are using the opaque material. But when you do need a material with translucency, well, again, we with the 502 S2, you can get translucency up to 20%. So it can give you greater, lighter transmission compared to the competition, which is roughly at 14%. So the benefit for the end user is the whiteness and transparency of the composite materials remain unchanged over time, ensuring optimal natural light, and visitor and worker safety thanks to natural light, and also reduction of cost for electricity, for light, and also for heating. And this is our brand signature. Basically, our new, on all of our marketing material, you're going to see this logo, the Serge Ferrari, of course, and our sort of our catchphrase is lightweight and durable. And the little leaf over the Ferrari basically symbolizes a lighter world due to the use of more buildings, using membranes to build buildings as opposed to conventional building techniques. And this is a quick overview of our product range in our modular protection product range. Again, we have, starting off with our inner layers, and we also have a value line, our classic line, and our perform line. So basically, whatever your need may be, from again your basic liners to which is our 402 and 412, our middle of the road materials, 602, 502, 6002 opaque, which is a material that's used in glamping, which has a textile appearance to it. And then our heavier duty membranes are 782 and 832, which are going to be heavier and also available in colors. So again, whatever your needs are in the modular market, we have a weight and a price point that would fit that need, no problem. A quick overview of some of our products. starting off with is first is our FlexLight Classic 402, and this is our lightest weight product, 14.5 ounces, square yard total weight. And again, this material is going to be used as a liner for semi-permanent and permanent structures. The product's easy to weld, very good mechanical resistance, dimensionally stable. Of course, it's fire retardant. It's the 402 is available in high transparency as well as normal translucent. Has the acrylic coating, 105 inches wide, and again available in white, champagne, and highly translucent. And the product is also printable. Next, we come to our FlexLight Classic 602. This is our most popular tint product in the American market. We probably sell over 80% of our 602. It's available in 2 weights. 19 ounces per square yard is the total weight for our translucent material, and 22 ounce for the opaque blackout, which is primarily what we sell in the American market is the blackout material. And again, the product's very easy to weld, dimensionally stable, fire retardant, again, also available in opaque blackout. Has the acrylic coating. It's also available in 3 widths, the 61-inch width, which is good for the people that are manufacturing smaller pole tints. It's the 5-foot widths are very good, give very good yield for manufacturing of the pole tints. And it's also available in 98 and 105-inch widths. The product is available in 10 colors. Most of those 10 colors will be special order. We don't really stock them, as 99% of our business is the opaque blackout material, which is of course stocked in Florida. And the product does have a 3-year warranty, and it's also printable as well. Our next product is our 502 S2, and this product is our best weight to strength ratio. It's developed with our pure white PVDF finish. The PVDF finish is a step up from the acrylic finish. It's going to give you more durability and also easier to clean. It's a 17.5 ounce square yard total weight. Again, has a high luminosity, approximately 19 to 20% light transmittance. Also easy to weld, very good mechanical resistance, dimensionally stable, fire retardant as well, 98 and 105-inch widths. Again, this product is only available in white, of course. 5-year warranty, and it's also printable. Our next product is our 702 S2, and this product it's our high-end tint product. It's primarily what our clear span customers use, and again, it's available in a 22 ounce translucent or the 25 ounce opaque blackout, which is that's the one we stock, because the blackout is the one again that we sell the most. And like our other products, again, it's very easy to weld, dimensionally stable, fire retardant. This product also has the PVDF coating, available in 98 and 105-inch widths. Of course, we also stock this product in Florida, only available in the white blackout. And we also have it's available in a 2-color version, which is a white black, white alu, or black white. But of course, those would be special order colors. And this product has a 7-year warranty, and it's also printable. And what I want to talk about next is our ATS system. And a lot of people probably haven't heard of that. And what that stands for is our air tension system. So I'm sure you're asking, ATS, what is it? It's a unique proprietary tensioning system offered by Serge Ferrari. It's a 2-panel system via the use of air-inflated tubes. It's something that's very unique. Nobody else is offering anything like it. It's an upsell opportunity for you and your customers. And the tubes can hold air pressure for up to 2 months without any type of reinflation. And only 2 tubes per panel are needed. So this picture right here describes how the ATS works. First, we have our simple membrane and also the double membrane. The double membrane is going to be the majority of what most people use, because the double membrane is going to give you the most benefits from the fact with the double membrane, the pocket in between the 2 panels, you can put insulation in there, you can put acoustic material in there to provide warmth, to provide better acoustic comfort. So 9 times out of 10, when people are using ATS, they're using the double membrane, and it really is a value-added offering for your customer and a real opportunity to upsell and be different from what the competition is offering. So you can say, how does this ATS, maybe it sounds good on paper, but how does it work? And this illustration will show you, especially with in a rainy environment, without ATS, you're going to get leaks, ponding on your roof, stains and marks. But with ATS, you can see that basically the ATS keeps the wall panels firm and also the roof panels firm. So there's no way that the water can pond on the roof and the water is just gonna run off. So you have no water pockets. And again, you can also have with the double membrane, which allows for acoustic comfort, and also the ATS will prevent water collection from getting into the the aluminum profiles. And again, also the same can be said with wind. Without ATS, the noise that comes with it and the damage you can get to textiles from flapping in really high winds. But with ATS, again, those inflated tubes keeps the tension of the walls tight, the tension of the roof tight, so you get no flapping. Will increase the longevity of the membrane. Again, it's also quieter, and it also is going to make the structure more stable from a strength standpoint. And this is sort of how the double membrane works. The double membrane is going to provide a layer of air of constant thickness that maintains indoor conditions. And it's also possible to use a mesh as an external membrane. So basically, you can use a foam or a mineral wool as an insulation, or even as an acoustic barrier, whichever the tent, whatever benefits it needs to give to the end user. So you can see in this situation, using a foam or a mesh will improve the acoustics of the tent, and it's also going to prevent any condensation from getting inside the tent. So you can see that with a double membrane, you can put a foam or a mineral wool in that pocket, and it's going to make the tent much more quieter. And also on the roof with the ATS, you're not going to have any condensation. Condensation is mitigated due to the double membrane providing a layer of air of constant thickness that breathes by circulating air between the membranes, which of course, no condensation is going to make the inside of the tent nicer for your customers. So ATS, in essence, it's going to give you increased good looks, insulation, improved acoustics, no ponding, and much more. So if you have any questions about the ATS, please let me know. It's a really unique product that I think a lot of people don't know about yet, and once they do, it's really going to provide a lot of unique features and benefits to your tents. So again, in summary, why request Serge Ferrari for your tent needs? Again, we're the largest company in the business and a global leader in the production of PVC coated fabrics, the highest quality membranes out there, 100% vertically integrated from fibers to fabric in our production processes, and we do not outsource any raw materials. The only manufacturer with pre-constrained proprietary technology, resulting in smoother and flatter fabrics that are easier to work with. And again, which also gives you double the PVC coating for longer life on all our membranes at the same total weights. And again, stock is held on all of our key membranes in the USA, and direct brands for full containers are also an option. And of course, we have a dedicated sales and marketing and logistics team who will partner with you and help you out in any way you can. So again, I'd like to thank you all for coming out to listen to the presentation today. Hope that it was worthwhile and that you learned something. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And again, I thank you for your time.